Hello everyone, we welcome you back to our YouTube channel Pyar Ka Pitara. Hope you like and enjoy our videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today we will be showing you how to make a very cooling drink also called as Aam Panna in India. It is very refreshing and it is very cooling. So let us start. For this you will need 2 unripened mangoes, some fresh mint leaves, some jaggery, 2 spoons of common salt, 2 spoons of black salt, 2 spoons of roasted cumin powder and 10 to 15 pieces of black pepper. Here I have taken 100 grams of jaggery and 100 grams of fresh mint leaves. So let us start. For this you have to boil 1 glass of water in a pan. I have poured 1 glass of water and keep it for boiling. We adjust water later on. So initially you start with only 1 glass of water. I have also peeled my mangoes. Now I will chop my mangoes. These are unripened mangoes. So now you have to chop them. You can chop them in any sizes because finally we will blend them in a mixer. So the size really does not matter. You can chop them in your wish accordingly. Once they are chopped, we will take a look towards our water. See, our water has boiled now. Now we will add 100 grams of jaggery to it. Slowly we are adding our jaggery to it. Once we have added all our jaggery, we will add our chopped pieces of mango. Now we have added all our chopped pieces of mango. Now it's time to add some salt to it. So we will add 2 spoons of salt to it and 2 spoons of black salt to it. Now we will add 10 to 15 pieces of black pepper to it. We will not add the roasted cumin powder right now to it. We will just add these 3 ingredients to the water and allow it to come to a boil. With the help of spoon, you press all the pieces of mango inside the water so they are dipped completely. This helps in soaking all the taste and flavor of mango in the water. The water absorbs all the flavors of mango nicely. So dip all the pieces of mango nicely in the water using spoon and allow it to cook or boil for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. So now we have kept this on heating. Now side by side we will wash our mint leaves. Mint leaves have lot of mud in it, so you need to wash it very nicely. So I have already washed it 2 to 3 times and now again I have dipped them in a clean water. Now I will be removing my leaves and draining the excess water out of it. But you can see that my water is still not very clear and there is still some mud left. So I will again give it a wash through clean water. It is very important to clean your mint leaves nicely because you are not cooking them, you are using them like this only. So mint leaves have to be cleaned properly. So wash them 4 to 5 times in cold water. And once your water is clear, then your mint leaves are good to go. So now you can see my water is very clear. Now I will drain out all the water and take all my clean mint leaves and keep them separately. Now you can see it's been 10 to 15 minutes and my water is still boiling and it has soaked almost all the flavors of mango. You can see how nicely it is boiling. I will just still give it a swirl one more time using a spoon. See how this is looking. And now it's time to turn off the heat and keep it for cooling. So I will turn off the heat and keep my this mango water jaggery mixture for cooling. Now my this mixture has cooled and I have fresh clean mint leaves and my cumin powder. So now I will take my pieces of mango and put them in a blender. Do not transfer water right away. First transfer the big pieces of mango in a jar in the blender, and see, this is our water mixture remaining. It still has some black pepper in it, but do not worry, we will use this water for blending. But first we need to transfer all the solid particles to it. So now we will add our mint leaves to it. We have taken 100 grams of mint leaves and we have also added our cumin powder to it. So we added 2 spoons of roasted cumin powder and 100 grams of mint leaves in our blender. And now I will take some of this water mixture, jaggery water mixture, and pour it in blender. Do not pour the whole thing in one go. I'll pour half of it and blend it. So see, after blending it looks like this, and now I will pour my remaining mixture also, water mixture also in it, and blend it nicely. So you see, I am pouring all my remaining water in it. Now we will transfer all our black peppers to this water and blend it nicely. Now my blending is complete and this is how my mixture looks. Now it's time to filter it. So you take a sieve with big holes and you pour your mixture through the sieve. With the help of spoon, you mix this mixture so that your water starts draining out. That is basically your thick aam panna paste. It is quite thick right now, so we will be adding lots of water to it. Approximately 4 to 5 glasses of water will be added to it. See, now we have drained all the water, and still how thick our paste is and how thick the mixture on the top is. So now I will add 4 to 5 glasses of water in my mixer jar. I'll add it in jar only so that all the remaining particles of my mango juice or aam rust remaining in my blender also comes along with water, and this also I will pass through sieve only so that it takes all the flavors which are there in my sieve. I will mix it with a spoon and filter all the water through it. Now see, my 4 to 5 glasses of aam panna, that is mango juice of unripened mango, is ready. Now I will refrigerate it and cool it and serve it chilled. You can also adjust the taste by adding more or less of salt, black pepper, black salt, chaat masala, sugar according to your wish. So now I am serving them in my glasses. I am serving them with mint leaves. You can also serve them with bundi, a Indian savory snack. You can also add chilled ice cubes to it or cut unripened mangoes to it. Whatever way you like it, you can serve it. It is very delicious and it is very refreshing in summers. So hope you like and enjoy this drink. If you like our video, do like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.